Hey guys, Kenworth T680. Problem with the running lights. Just wanted to share with you what I did here. So this is a brand new light that I bought it on the Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. And those are old one. As you guys see, lots of them are failing already. And I'm going to change them also. And I just want to share with you how to install them properly. So as you guys see, this is my installation and I did not use any silicone. This is the old one, and as you guys see, a lot of silicone around, and it failed. Same with the other ones, they all siliconed. This one not, again, and it's 100% waterproof, and I'm gonna show you how to get it 100% waterproof. So this is the light, again, this style, and most common thing why the water getting in, because of the screws. And what I did, as you guys see, on the other side I didn't pull this screw seal yet, and I did on this one. And what you guys need to do when you pull that seal, so you have to make a hole in it with a screwdriver and then just screw this seal on the screw, on the bolt, and then as you will be screwing it, it will seal over here also. And that's how you seal 100%, because most common thing, the water getting in through the screws, because a lot of guys, what they do, they just pull this plug out and then just put the screw and done. But that's not correct way to do it, because that's where the water is going to be getting in. So, and then make sure the surface is clean when you putting this one back in, because if you have any objects on the body that you install in this light, so it will not seal 100% and you will have a leak too. So make sure the area is completely clean.